This day number 87, day number 87. It remind me of 1987, 1987. When I left my home when I was 7 years old, 7 years old. A year later, learned how to fire an AK-47, an AK-47. Slept with one eye open wide, run, duck, play dead and hide, play dead and hide. I've seen my people die like flies, flies. Look, guys, this is day number 87 in which I eat one meal a day, and all the money of the meals that I've skipped lunch and breakfast and snacks in the day I donate to buy the bricks to build a school in South Sudan. For those who don't know what is happening, my name is Emmanuel Jao, and I'm on a road to build a school. I'd rather get 10,000 people help me build this school than one off donation from one person. So, guys, there, pass the message around. Small stuff add up. And we are going to build a school. For those who don't know what's going on, this is what you're going to look now. Go to Gua Africa website and see www.gua-africa.org. Blessing, peace, peace. For yeah, I'm in London. I'm in London. I just flew away from United States of America. If you don't know, so yes, that's why I look tired like this. Thank you. Bye.